Welcome to the video lecture on financial management. In this video, we are going to see about turnaround of sick corporate. The topics which will be covered in this video are turnaround strategy, types of turnaround, and phases in turnaround management. Turnaround strategy. In previous video, we saw about industrial sickness. So, a turnaround strategy is a revival measure for overcoming the problem of that industrial sickness. That is, turnaround is a restructuring process that converts the loss-making company into a profitable one. It brings the industrial unit into its original position and stabilizes its performance. Types of turnaround. The first type is financial restructuring or refacement of financial obligations. When a company is able to justify that by rescheduling the loan installments, the company would be able to fulfill its debt obligations. The request for restructuring the debts are acceded to by the financial institutions. Many often, even an additional package of debts are sanctioned under soft loans, provided cash flow projections are convincing for the future business potential of the company. The second type is converting debts into equity, thus converting debt liability into ownership liability. When debts are converted into equity, the immediate cash flow demands would not be pressing the distressed company so hard, and it could take some breathing time to resurrect itself from the financial difficulties. The next type is merging with larger companies with synergies. A merger is an agreement that unites two existing companies into one new company. There are several types of mergers and also several reasons why companies complete mergers. The next type is distress or surgical turnaround by hive-offs, split-ups, split-offs, retrenchment or human resource downsizing. Sale of large portion of unused assets or wasting assets in the form of jettisoning is another option. Sale and lease back with or without securitization is yet another choice. Downsizing of human resources or retrenchment of staff is also another strategy available under this head. The next type is managerial turnaround by diagnostic fixing and strategic planning. By and large, this is the most professional and all-comprehensive approach to turnaround strategy for a company. The fundamental point or issue involved in a turnaround operation is re-engineering of the business process and strategizing the action plan for focusing on the larger market. Phases in turnaround management. Applying the appropriate statistical tool to know as to whether the industry is really sick or not, and also as to whether it is nurseable or not. Diagnostic fixing of real cause, as financial problem only manifest at the end as a symptom and not the solution for all. Applying appropriate managerial solution for that cause. If needed, administering financial remedies also. And finally, constantly monitoring the strategic plan to ensure that the sickness is not repeated and the company is brought back to full health. And that's it for this video. Thank you.